Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of summer fun with the best pool beach ball available in the market, the JOYIN 4-pack 20 beach balls. These inflatable beach balls are not your average pool toys. With a set of 4 20-inch beach balls, the fun never stops. Whether you're planning a pool party, a beach day, or just some backyard fun, these beach balls are a must-have.
Made with premium quality materials, these beach balls are designed to withstand hours of play.
They're heat-welded for anti-air leaking, ensuring they stay inflated and ready for action.
Plus, they're easy to inflate and deflate, making them perfect for travel. Just throw them in your beach bag and you're ready to go. But these beach balls aren't just for play. They're also ideal for party decorations.
Whether you're hosting a luau, a birthday bash, or just want to add some summer vibes to your event, these beach balls are the perfect choice. And with 4 vibrant rainbow-colored beach balls in each pack, there's enough fun to go around for everyone. So why wait? Get your hands on the JOYIN 4-pack 20 beach balls today and make your summer unforgettable.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there.
See you next time.